In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a shed in your backyard. Now the question is, can you even get a shed into your backyard? You may think that you'll have to go to a big box store and buy a kit and put it together yourself, or that you'll have to go to the expense of hiring a crane or maybe dropping it in with a helicopter. But let me show you how you can get a shed in your backyard without a helicopter and without tools. We have 3 options for you to get a shed in your backyard. You can choose a building off of one of our display lots and we'll deliver it to you in as little as 2 days. Or you can customize a shed and we'll put it into our production process and deliver it to you in 3 to 4 weeks. Or if neither of those is an option for you, we can also build it on site. 2-day delivery is really ideal for the customer who finds a shed on our display lot that they like and that it will work for them and has plenty of access onto their property where we can bring our truck and trailer in. If you don't see a shed on our lot that works for you, we can custom build that for you and deliver it to you in 3 to 4 weeks. Our on-site build option is really tailored for those customers who don't have access into their backyard to take a large item through. A lot of backyards have small gates and high walls, and so the only way to get a building in there is either from the top down or to bring it in there in pieces and assemble it. So there's no need to worry about a helicopter dropping a shed off in your backyard. Stop by one of our sales lots or give us a call and let us help you figure out which shed you need and how to get it where you need it.